Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ravi, and in this video we are going to learn about Databricks. If you are learning data analytics, data engineering or big data, then Databricks is something you must understand. Don't worry, this video is beginner friendly, no heavy terms and no confusion. Before I had started learning Databricks, I had a simple question. What exactly a Databricks and why are so many companies using it? So in this video, we will cover three simple things. What Databricks is, why companies use it, and where Databricks fits in a data analyst journey. First, let's just understand what is Databricks. Let's start simple. Databricks is a cloud-based data platform that help companies store, process, analyze, and visualize the large amount of data. In simple words, Databricks is a place where data lives and where analysts, engineers, and scientists work together. Let's take a real world example. Imagine a company like Amazon Flipkart. They generate millions of orders, millions of customer clicks, and millions of transactions each and every day. Excel can't handle this. Even databases can also struggle. That's where Databricks comes in. And the second one is why companies use Databricks. Companies use Databricks because first one, it works on the big data. Second, it supports multiple languages like Python, SQL, and PySpark. And third one is it is fast, scalable, and more cost efficient. This is why Databricks is heavily used in e-commerce, healthcare, fintech companies, and banking services. If you are a data analyst, you might be thinking, do I really need Databricks? The answer is yes, if you want to really work with real company data. With Databricks, analysts can write SQL on large databases, use PySpark for transformation, build insights ready data for the dashboards. In the next video, I will show you Databricks interface, clusters and notebooks, and how to run SQL and PySpark, and a real e-commerce use cases. If you're serious about data analytics, make sure to subscribe and follow this journey. Thanks for watching. This is Ravi signing off. See you in the next video.